Hi all, Chris over here. Welcome to Chris World. And today I'm gonna talk about some things. So over here I stay over here in that blue house you can see. And let me just show you my car really quick. So today I'm gonna talk about a lot of things, and I'm gonna show you my car as well. Like I've uploaded in the on Instagram, but now let me just show you my car. So guys, this is my car, you can see. This is a Hyundai Hora. It's closed, you cannot see it, but you can see it's like this packed. So yes guys, this is my car, you can see over there, you can see my car. So basically I'm gonna talk about some few things. So sorry for not posting for 1 year YouTube, because I had exams and I had my like the one of the most crazy exams you can say. And like I had to study a lot of about things, and I stay in this garden, you can see. This is how the garden looks. So this is where I live, and there is all greenery around me. You can see full greenery is there, and that is the place where I live, that side you can see. And we gotta talk about some things. Let me just tell you. So basically I had all these exams and all, and I couldn't post anything, but I would post short videos. Definitely I would post short videos on my Instagram and on YouTube as well. So here, so let's talk about it now. Let me just show you my garden first. So guys, this is my garden, you can see. Here where I live. So yeah, from now on, I'm gonna put like one or two videos a month. I'll try my best to put 1 to 2 videos a month, and I'll definitely put one video a month, that is a long form video. And so I started this channel 2 years before, and I will grow up and I'll show you guys all about business. I've done many businesses on Instagram, which was like a permanent business, not some like kind of scam or something. It's a straight legal one, like it's a legal business. I'm not gonna teach you any nonsense. I'm gonna teach you like what's straight and what you can make money. So guys, if you ask me that did you upgrade to any phone, I'll tell you, yeah, I upgraded to like 2 phones. One is an 14 plus and one is an iPhone 11. Let me just show you. So this is the iPhone 11 guys, you can see. It's crazy, you can see. It's good for vlogging and all that. So it's nice. So guys, you can see this is the phone I'm recording with. It's a 14 plus. It's a crazy phone, you can see. And so guys, let's go to the seaside and let's just walk at the seaside guys. I'm just going to come out of the side of my house, just show you the surrounding guys. So basically I'll talk about what are my plans to do on this channel. I'll just show you. Let me just go out. So guys, I'm going toward the seaside. You can see. Let's go. So people don't know which country I live in. So I live in India, and in Mumbai, in Bandra West. And future I might go in some other countries as well for future vlogs. So guys, I'm walking towards the seaside. You can see there are, and I'm in Bandra West, and the place I came over here. So basically I was in Israel, in Tel Aviv, and so war was going on over there. So my parents had to shift in India, and then we came over here, we settled over here in Mumbai, Bandra West. And I would say it's a very good country. The diversity, its tradition and all that. So I was not born in India, I was born in Israel. But I would wish that I would be born in US. And yeah. So guys, look, I'll just show you the car. So like there are many luxury cars over here in Bandra West. And one thing about this place is like, if you go in the New York, you go to New York City. So over there is a billionaire road. You know, all the billionaires stay over there. So basically the place where I'm living is like a billionaire row, and there are many actors over here, and there's this Bollywood industry, like how the Los Angeles have their Hollywood industry. And there are various supercars which will be coming on my channel, YouTube channel, and there will be like supercars. I will film all the supercars. If I get chance, private jets, of course, private jet. I love private jets. And if we'll see if we can record any mansion or anything. Let's see. Let's try our best. So we'll go in the seaside and tell you all what are my plans. So if you can see, there are a lot of luxury cars. See that car, guys. There are a lot of luxury cars over here. It's crazy. So guys, you can see at these streets, they are so huge and big. You can see the streets are pretty big, guys. Crazy. And so I'll be recording a video on all abandoned cars, and it'll be a crazy one because there are many hypercars also over there. Not hypercars, supercars. And I will be posting that in May only, in this month. So let's see if we get to try. So we got another car over here, you can see. It's a Volvo. Brand new one. There are a lot of like supercars and all over here. You can see, let me just show you this road. So guys, this is another cross road, you can see. You can see, look, this vanity van. So there are like many billionaires over here. Let me just show you, look, another Mercedes. You can see. There's another van, you can see. I think the mafia rolling over here. A BYD. So like there are various vehicles over here, like Chinese vehicles also come over here, which are not in the American market. So guys, you can see there's a abandoned house over here. Crazy mansion. You can see. So guys, you can see that hypercar. Volkswagen. Another one, you can see BMW. So guys, there is a sports car over here. You can see an Audi. Not basically a sports car, it's a sports sedan, you can say. So like there are various supercars and sports cars which will be coming on this channel, guys. It's gonna be crazy, like no nonsense. If I go to any party, guys. So like let me just show you another luxury car if you don't believe. So look, there is a luxury car over here. see another BMW, another MG. So like basically all like we all rich guys live over here, you know. Here all this is like a billionaire row, you can see. Look, another Audi over here, you can see. Everyone's rolling all these cars, man. Crazy guy. If you stay over here, you need a car like to flex and all that. So there's this another road over here. You can see. Look at this Jimny, guys. Looks sexy. They're going for a trip. So guys, you can see this road over here. So basically over here construction is going on. So let's see if we can go to the another side. So there are many I don't know, many luxury cars, not supercars or hypercars, but many luxury cars are over there. So guys, I'm coming this shade, you can see. I'll show you all these mansions now. You can see this is a mansion. You can, that side is a seaside. You can see this is all mansion over here. So over here there is like, you can see the building, guys. Crazy building. Now I'll show you all the luxury cars, guys. So it starts from here. You can see. So here there is a Range Rover. I don't know what it is. So we'll go. We'll take a round from here. You can see. So these are some normal cars. So I seen a G-Wagon over here. Let me just show you. So people even use many bikes. You can see scooters. So I'll show you a G-Wagon if. Okay, so there is this house, and there is this G-Wagon over here. Let me just show you. You can see. So there are many rich people over here. So I told you again and again. This is like a billionaire's row. You can see Mercedes, and there are many cars over here. You can see there's an Audi, there's an Kia. You can see there is this blue Audi A4, and then there is this BMW and black. Crazy, guys. This is the Audi, and here this is, you can see all these mansions, guys. They're super crazy. There's a Jeep rolling on. You can see these mansions are like millions of dollars. You can see the Audi. There is a park over here near my Joggers Park. I'll try to go inside, but not now, because let's try if we can go in. And this is how the place is. Bandra is like this. It's like a mini country, you can say. Look, there's an EV over there. So over here, even the boys who are like poor, they collect money and they have like these kind of cars. You can see they have this like a Volkswagen shit, lime green, nano cars. You can see. So here's the seaside, guys, and here's like some construction is going on. So basically they are going to make some bridge or something. You can see. I'll show you the seaside, guys. The best view. So over here there is the second garden, you can see. Nice for old people. So the garden name is Laughter Heaven. So like old people come over here and they laugh and they keep themselves healthy. So guys, there's another Mercedes rolling over, you can see. So we have an Honda EV, you can see. So guys, you can see this is like a billionaire's row. You can see those buildings, guys. Crazy. People are riding cycle and all that. Nice lifestyle over here, guys. Guys, we are entering this park. Let's see. The Joggers Park, and it's a nice one. So now I'm gonna show you this park now. So there's greenery over here. Nice green. Let me just show you the walking track. And there is this garden over here. You can see people are sweeping it. And this is a walking track, guys. got different kinds of playing thing, you can see. Crazy guys. So here we have some exercise equipment for free guys, it's provided. Let me just go inside and show you guys. So this is how it looks. This is some kind of exercise thing. Let me just show you. Yeah, people like they do all the gym thing, you know. So this is provided by the government for free. You can see there are rocks over here. You can use it like for free, like for gymming and all that. So let's get out. And over there are some cars. So step over here. And over here this is a track. And over here people do yoga guys. You can see. So started over there. And now I'll just show you the beautiful view. So here you can drink water for free guys if you bought your bottle or something. But this is the track. You see there are all these big trees over here. All different kinds of trees. You can see. And there's this walking track. You can see this flower guys. Beautiful flower. There's some kind of generator or something for the lights. And you can see that coconut tree guys. It's crazy. So guys, this was the $1 million view I was talking about. So let me just put on 0.5x and show you the beautiful view, the sea view over here. So this is the view guys, let me just show you. You can see a beautiful view. We can see this couples over here. There's a statue couple. Crazy guys. So guys, there's this garden over here, you can see. It's like a nice rubber thing. And this is like kind of people can sit over here and chill out. You can see. So this is the garden. You can see that funny Joker face. You can see this. It moves around. This is the kids seating thing. You can see this garden. Kids play over here. You can see a lot of equipments. You can see over there. And this is like a dancing thing made of rocks. Crazy creativity. You can see the crow jumping off. You can see this. You can see this hole guys. You can see this red thing. Crazy. So this is the garden guys. And this is a children's area, you can see. Suitable for age to 8 years. Adult supervision is recommended. Crazy guys. So here this is a track. You can see. Running track. So guys, there is this chicken over here. You can see cockerel just running over here and there. He is running. So there are these chickens. And over here there are many swans. Let me just show you all these swans. You can see there's this, all fishes are roaming around. I'll just show you. So you can see all those fishes. Let me just do a 0.5x. So here there are all fishes roaming around, you can see. Crazy. Let me show you the next other part of the video. You can see there are swans over there. A lot of swans. You can see, look at this. There's another swan over there, seeing at me. You can see. Crazy guys. And there are many swans sitting over here. I think this is a duck. And there is this stone, guys. I don't know for walking or what. You can see this tree made of woods. This is how it looks. There are some snakes over here as well. I don't know, they just went inside. Crazy guys. You can see all this tree. Yeah, all the swans you can see over there. Crazy guys. Anyways, let's get out of this park. Let me show you something outside. We're getting out of the park, guys. This cat over here, you can see. You can see. Crazy cat. Now let's move out of this park. So it was a crazy experience in August Park. Now let me just show you some cars over here. We got a Kia, Then got a Merc over there, you can see. Mercedes got this Audi Q7, guys. Here we got those Audis with the same color. One a car, one an SUV. We have the BMW. You can see Russian Mafia's Mercedes. Russian people love this car, C200. And this is Bad Boys modified shit. Mercedes over here. The car. This is how the place looks in 0.5x. You can see. Here's the Mercedes. Toyota Camry. We got a blue Mercedes over here. EQA 250 plus. Crazy car. Volkswagen. And a Range Rover. Another Range Rover, you can see. So as I'm going back, let me show you this car. So as I'm going back, I'll show you all the luxury vehicles. So let me just show you on the street. There's a BMW, Mercedes. You can see, guys, there's a Mercedes over there. And there's the Audi. So you can see this road. This is an open crossroad, guys. You can see, guys, there's this house over here. There are many houses. And there's some EV car coming, you can see. Crazy, guys. There's a Mercedes rolling over. Audi just went inside. You can see their houses. They are crazy. And over here you can see there's this Mercedes, guys. Crazy looking one. You can see. It looks so good. It's not a hypercar or a supercar, but it's a luxury fast sedan, you can see. You can see this BMW rolling over. BMW rolling over. So you can see at this street, guys. This is how the street is. Here there are some politicians rolling over. Some politicians, you can see. You can see, guys, there's another chimney over here. You can see this street. Crazy, guys. You can see that Mercedes old one. rolling over there. You see, this is a new Hyundai Ioniq 5. You can see, crazy guys. You can see the BMW iX, black side, crazy. So guys, as you can see the beautiful sky over here and that coconut tree. So many videos will come on this channel, and there'll be a lot of content over here about cars, mansions, supercar, and this will be my journey on the YouTube channel, and I'll show you how to earn a lot of money by legit way and by permanent, and I'll talk to you about all these elites and the government thing and all that. And this is my journey of how I become the most famous, guys. Let's see. So we're here. So every month I will post like two videos a month. So let's see. I'll post 2 videos a month, and this will be a crazy journey, guys. So here I would like to end the video. Anyways, Chris Audi's wife, Chris Wall signing off, and on Instagram my ID is Chris Audi's wife, so do follow me over there. So anyways, goodbye, peace out.